Shoot it. I'm Christian. This is Freddie. And today we're gonna do sushi. Yeah, making sushi at home. So here's what we have: sashimi grade tuna, shrimp, garlic, spicy mayonnaise, pickled ginger, carrot, cucumber, avocado, radish sprouts, and rice. The first thing we're gonna do is rinse the rice in cold water. And you're gonna do this a few times until the water runs clear. And this will result in a firmly cooked rice. Kanpai!
Kanpai!
We've washed the rice. We've allowed it to dry some. 2 cups of rice. This is our vinegar dressing. In my version, it's got the sake, it's got the rice wine vinegar, and then we also have the meaty. This is how we make that turnip rice. Once our rice comes to a boil, we actually want to drop our kelp in and have it in there for just a minute. Get that kelpy flavor. After your rice has absorbed all of the water, let it sit for 10 minutes. Right? There we go. This is what's called a hangiri. I am so excited about it. It is a wooden bowl that is specifically for the cooling and tossing of the rice with the dressing that we made earlier. That is some sticky rice. Move it around for me a little.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get the dressing. We're just trying to get some air into it and toss it around. We want it to be room temperature. Next is the rolling, and I'm gonna be blunt with you. It's super easy. What we have is our nori. This is a roasted seaweed product.
So how much do I grab? Like a handful?
Enough to put a thin layer on your rice,
okay,
leaving that 1/2 inch of space. So once your rice is at a decent spot, just going to rub a little bit of our dressing along the fish. Place it, some cucumber. Moisten my fingers a little, and we're just going to pull it in.
So you just do 1 row of each of your ingredients?
You're pulling it in, ensuring that it's even and tight.
That is on point.
So like everything else, I'm going to moisten the blade with some of our dressing, and we're going to cut them.
Where's my plate? I got this.
For sure.
You're welcome.
Freddie!
Yeah.
Okay.
Knife safety, everybody.
Be careful.
You did it, bitch. That shit was on point.
Yeah.
Yes, I love it.
We ate some sushi, we had some fun, and some sake bombs. We're gonna call it a night. I hope you learned at least this much and that you had a good time.
Yeah.
See you next time.
I know I learned a lot.
Shoot it.